Wholeness and balance vibrations to everybody. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are still hanging in there. Today is day 4 of the juicing fast. So today, this is what I had to drink. So this is the first juice. So what we have is, just as you can see, apple and pineapple. So in terms of juicing, when you're making your juice, sometimes you can have particles that like stay in here. So what you want to do, you want to get this out. As you can see, you want to get this out and clean it, because it starts to form blockages. And actually, as you can see, this is also what is happening with our body, with our system. Like, we eat a lot of stuff, and in our guts or intestines, then this is how things actually happen. So this is why you want to like clean yourself, you want to like detox yourself. And also, as you can see, like, yeah, start. So as you can see, this is the rest from the pineapple. So you see, when you eat pineapple, your body has to like work this out, you know. So when you're juicing, you're taking this out and you're drinking the nutrients. You're drinking the actual nutrients. Yeah, guys. So as you can see, everything has been done. The whole recipe has been made. So what I sometimes do is I actually would take this through a shifter, just to take out the small particles that still went through from the machine. So what I do is I'm gonna like wash this a little bit, and I'll dip this in here, and then have it roll over here, as you can see. Yeah, normally I can directly do it in here, but I'm doing this through here just because the mouth or the opening is larger than this, right? And as you can see, you have some particles still standing here. So that's why we're doing that, because we want to give our body as little as possible work. A lot of particles. So need a glass. Drink something. So this is day 4. What we have in here is pineapple and 11 apples. Cheers, enjoy. As you can see, that is what I had to drink.
a little explanation. In terms of making the juice, like, I understand sometimes like we're always busy, we have a lot of things to do. Sometimes like you have, let me say, you don't have the patience to like really sit there and do everything. But believe me, when you put your energy into it, and you also put your mindful about it, you know, this is something you're doing for yourself, you know. So you put in that positive vibration, and you just be mindful of the thing that you're doing. Believe me, it really, that on its own raises the vibration and the energy of the thing that you're making. So this is the last sip of what I had to drink today. 11 apples and 1 pineapple. I kid you not. Try this. When you drink this, you never ever gonna drink. You never ever gonna just buy, let me say, juice from a juice, like, let me say, just the, you know, your everyday juice with sugar and glycerin and things like that. So you're gonna love this one. And once again, thank you. I think, was it, let me see who sent me this. I think it was Monica. So Monica, if you're watching this, or Jojo, I can't remember who sent me this recipe. Thank you once again. It's very, very nice. I like it. I like it. I love it. So what did I do today? Today it was a very, very energetic day. So as you can see, I made the juice. I had to, like, I did not have to, but I played on the trampoline a little bit, you know, just getting that metabolism going on. Very, very important. And I also had some, just some driving, like for 1 hour to a client, just the regular stuff. And for the rest, did some trading. Of course, you know what time it is when it's trading. And in terms of feelings, yes, I actually, everything was good today. I didn't like really feel tired. Just 15 minutes ago, my ears was, I just had the ear ringing a little bit, but it's gone. Overall, today I felt very, very nice and healthy. No energy loss. Had just 1 glass of water today, and the rest I just drank the whole juice up. So yeah, I'm looking forward to the next day. And I'm also going to be using this time to be working on some new recipes, you know, in terms of eating, because we always want to, you know, we're climbing up the ladder, want to keep up climbing. So you want to upgrade also what you're eating. Be mindful about that. So use this time, for those of you who are on the fast, use this time to like work on what you want to put in your body. So with that being said, I'm gonna end the video here. And before I end the video, I already made my juice for tomorrow. And tomorrow, I have a little sample here, as you can see. So this is today, and this is tomorrow. So here we have one pineapple and 11 apples for this one. Really, you need to try this. You need to try this. And here we have 25 carrots and 11 apples and a small cucumber. No, curcumber. I don't know how to pronounce it. This is also very, very nice. So this is going to be for tomorrow. I just made it this evening because, of course, you know, it takes some time to make this thing. And when you have time, you just want to do it. So with that being said, guys, I hope you guys are hanging in there. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Victorious Legit. I'm signing out. Wholeness and Balance Vibration. See you at day 5.